Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, thermal paste, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools are essential for safely opening your device and performing the necessary repairs. Start by unplugging the laptop and removing the battery. This is crucial to avoid any electrical hazards while working on the device. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of the laptop panel. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully remove these screws, placing them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using your flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. With the back panel off, you can now access the internal components of the laptop. Inspect the motherboard for any visible signs of damage, such as burnt components or loose connections. If you notice any dust buildup, use compressed air to clean the internal parts. This is important as dust can cause overheating and power issues. Next, check the RAM modules. Remove them carefully and reseat them to ensure a proper connection. If you have multiple RAM sticks, try booting the laptop with one stick at a time to identify if one of them is faulty. If the laptop still does not power on, the issue may lie with the power supply. Test the power adapter with a multimeter to ensure it is providing the correct voltage. If you find that the adapter is faulty, consider replacing it. At this point, if you feel overwhelmed or lack the necessary tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help identify the issue for you. Additionally, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transportation. No calls, no travel, just a simple and convenient service. If everything checks out and the laptop still won't turn on, the motherboard may need to be repaired or replaced. This is a more complex task that requires soldering skills and specialized tools. If you're not comfortable with this, we can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs involved. After addressing all potential issues, reassemble the laptop by reversing the steps taken to open it. Make sure all screws are tightened securely and the back panel is properly attached. Finally, reconnect the battery and power adapter, then attempt to turn on the laptop. If it powers on successfully, congratulations! You've completed the repair. If not, it may be time to seek professional help to avoid further damage. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.